what exactly is going to happen in Chant Mumbai, Shant Mumbai on 1st February 2026 at DKC. We are commemorating the 75th year of the Chinmay movement, and it is being celebrated as Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav. 108 Samashti Shri Hanuman Chalisa Havan will be performed that day. The program begins beautifully with a short Purva Puja where Hanumanji's puja will be done with 16 Upcharas. There will be Ashirvachan by Puja Guruji Swami Tejomayanandji, Puja Swami Swarupanandji, who is our global head of Chinmay Mission, Swami Advayanandji, myself, Swami Swatmananda. We will all be there. We will have satsang. We will also listen to Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandji in various languages. There will be an inspiring film on the Chinmay movement's impact in the last 75 years. This will be followed by the Hanuman Chalisa Havan in minimum 108 Havan Kunds. There can be more also. You can register as an individual and sit at a Havan Kund and perform the Havan while Hanuman Chalisa is being chanted. You can also book a whole Havan Kund for your family or your company or your group and sit together and do the Havan. If you do not want to do the Havan, you can join us as Chinmay Geet Yajman and just come together to chant and experience the power of Hanuman Chalisa. With every Hanuman Chalisa, there will be 18 ahutis for those who are doing the Havan. Even if you register for one Hanuman Chalisa, you can offer 18 ahutis. There will also be many celebrity singers who will join us in the chanting of Hanuman Chalisa, and all of us can together chant Hanuman Chalisa. At the end of the Havan, Hanumanji's Aarti will be done. There will be Ram Parivar, Shiv Parivar, Guru Parampara in different altars. Aartis will happen at all these altars. After the Aarti, Prasad will be given to everybody. Annadan will be done. There will also be a brilliant exhibition on Hanumanji depicting his stories, his life, his achievements, his devotion. One of the most amazing features of the Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav will be the Chinmay Amrit Yatra, a bus which has been redesigned, and you can take a walk through it to understand the life, vision and work of Puja Gurudev, to see unique artifacts that Puja Gurudev had used and also understand the impact of his work. All this and more is going to be there in Chinmay Amrit Mahotsav. Join us in this grand spiritual experience where there is chanting, where there is a Havan, where there are satsangs, where there are artis, where there are exhibitions, where there is technology and so much more. I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you